Take 4.10 miles inbound on 730.
My name is Brent Canfield. I'm the CEO of Smart Digital. I started Smart Digital as a security company to protect people. So I was a career Marine, but in 2003, after the fight in Iraq, I decided that I needed to do more. So after the Boston Marathon bombing, I designed a product called SentryPODS to be a very unified surveillance platform because I saw the need in the market space for an evolving technology that would give us the ability to be able to deploy SentryPODS in a very austere environment. It's a challenge for most people to deploy surveillance in austere environments because of the resources that's required. It's all about speed and mobility. We recognize that when we design SentryPODS. People don't have time to wait for the resources that's necessary to get surveillance into areas where they can't typically go. And so SentryPODS expounds on that by stretching the elasticity of the limitations of having a cable or a wire or an internet provider. What separates SentryPODS from every other product in the market is the fact that you can deploy SentryPODS and never need to physically touch them again. Everything from remotely accessing the internal interfaces to the video remotely to then also getting your own internet connection standing on the ground, connecting to Wi-Fi. So right now we just did a rapid deployment of a SentryPODS up here in the middle of nowhere, out here in an open desert plain area, and had access to the video within 5 minutes. The markets that are best served with SentryPODS: heavy construction, oil and gas, Department of Defense, military, being able to have a virtual presence of an area before people get there. So solutions like this is what enables the warfighters down in the middle of nowhere and give them access to video so they have a virtual presence versus a physical presence, making their foot power more exponential. SentryPODS are IP68 rated so they can last in inclement weather conditions. We partner with Cradlepoint, Ultronics, Axis Communications, and Cambium Networks because they give us the leading edge on technologies in regard to being able to push intelligence at the edge. I'm passionate about SentryPODS and our product because I've always had a passion for protecting people. I really feel like our company can make a difference in this type of space, and our intent is to disrupt the surveillance industry from the standard, from the norm, because everyone is used to the limitations of a wire or connecting a camera to a resource, and SentryPODS have disconnected itself from that limitation, if you will, and being able to deploy SentryPODS in environments that are more austere, more remote is good because the passion that we carry from my background, I understand the need because of my background, and understand that it's all about virtual security. It's all about being able to have a presence and protect an area without having people there beforehand. I couldn't be more excited about the industries we're going to serve and the people we're going to protect.